Sergius Hannon, a nature photographer from Homer, Alaska, is known for his unique way of capturing the raw beauty of Alaska's wilderness. Through his high-resolution photos and stunning drone videos, he really takes you right into the heart of these incredible landscapes. With a background in environmental studies, Hannon's work isn't just about showing off nature's beauty, but also about encouraging us to appreciate and protect the world around us. His work truly makes you feel more connected to the outdoors, which we so often take for granted.